Hello everyone, today it's Acer videos, and today I am going to show you how to fix the cannot load Android system error message in recovery mode on these Chinese devices. And I say this device is Chinese, but the company Acer is Taiwanese, by the way, but this was actually manufactured in China. But in this video today I'm going to show you how to get rid of those cannot load Android system error recovery screens. So to do it, you go into settings, then you click about device or tablet, then you need to click the build number until it says you're a developer. Then you go into system and then you click developer options. Once in developer options, make sure that the OEM unlocking is ticked. And then you simply reboot into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, you navigate to wipe cache partition. And then you simply just wipe the cache. And then reboot the system now. And just like that, your device will no longer show those recovery error messages. Because when I did those steps on this tablet, it never showed the recovery screen ever again. As always, I hope this fixes your issue on your Acer or Chinese tablet. As anyways, thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.